The law of attraction in daily life is one of the most powerful universal principles because it shows that your thoughts create your reality. What you think about most, what you feel most, and what you believe most consistently manifests into your life, whether it is good or bad. When you focus on fear, doubt, stress, or negativity, you attract more situations that make you feel the same way. But when you focus on gratitude, positivity, confidence, and success, you naturally attract opportunities, experiences, and people that match that energy. The law of attraction is always working whether you know it or not, so the key is to use it consciously every single day instead of letting your mind drift into worry and fear. You can train it to focus on abundance, peace, happiness, and goals, because the energy you put out is the energy you get back. Most people live their life unaware that their mindset is shaping everything around them, but when you wake up and realize your inner world creates your outer world, you begin to see how powerful you really are. For example, when you wake up and say today will be stressful, you will find evidence to make it stressful. But if you wake up and say today will be full of opportunities, your mind starts noticing good things and solutions instead of problems. This is how the law of attraction in daily life works, through your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Successful people use it every day by visualizing their dreams, by affirming positive thoughts, and by believing in their abilities. Athletes imagine winning before the game. Entrepreneurs visualize successful businesses before launching. Speakers picture standing confidently on stage before the speech. This practice aligns their mind and body with success, so when the opportunity comes, they are ready. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for magic. It is about aligning your thoughts and emotions so that your actions naturally move you closer to your goals. When you believe something is possible, you take consistent action with confidence, and that action brings results. When you doubt yourself, you hesitate, procrastinate, and miss chances. Your outer results always mirror your inner beliefs. So if you want to change your life, you first change your thoughts. In daily life, you can apply the law of attraction by practicing gratitude every morning. When you focus on what you already have, you attract more to be grateful for. Start your day by writing 3 things you appreciate, and you will notice more reasons to smile during the day. Second, practice visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in detail. See it, hear it, feel it as if it is already real, because your brain does not know the difference between imagination and reality, so it begins to work toward making it true. Third, use affirmations. Speak powerful words over your life every day. I am confident, I am successful, I am worthy, I am attracting opportunities. These words program your subconscious mind to align with your goals. Fourth, surround yourself with positive energy. Your environment influences your beliefs, so spend time with people who inspire you. Read uplifting books, watch motivational content, and reduce negative influences, because what goes in your mind shapes what comes out. Fifth, take inspired action, because the law of attraction works when thought and action combine. It is not enough to just believe, you must also move forward with courage and consistency. One of the clearest ways the law of attraction shows up in daily life is through relationships. If you believe love is hard, you attract difficult relationships. But if you believe you deserve love and carry self-respect and positivity, you attract people who match that energy. It is the same with money. If you constantly think money is scarce, you will struggle. But if you believe money flows through value, creativity, and effort, you start noticing opportunities to earn and grow. It is also the same with health. If you always affirm "I am weak" or "I am sick," your body responds. But if you affirm "I am strong," "I am healthy," "I am full of energy," your body aligns with that mindset. This principle is backed by science through something called the reticular activating system in the brain, which filters information based on your focus. If you decide to buy a certain car, you suddenly see it everywhere, not because it just appeared, but because your brain is now tuned to notice it. The same happens with opportunities. When you focus on success, your brain notices chances that you would have ignored before. This is why focus and belief are so powerful. Your mind literally shapes your reality by filtering the world according to what you expect. Daily habits make the law of attraction practical. Start your morning with gratitude, affirmations, and visualization. Instead of scrolling through negativity during the day, pay attention to your self-talk. Replace "I cannot" with "I can." Replace "I am unlucky" with "I am attracting good things." Before bed, end your day with gratitude by writing down what went well. This trains your subconscious mind to expect positive results. The more consistent you are, the more natural it becomes. Soon you will notice you feel happier, calmer, more confident, and more motivated. Opportunities will come easier, people will respond better, and situations will work in your favor, not because of luck but because your energy is aligned with what you want. Remember, the law of attraction is not about pretending challenges do not exist. It is about choosing how you respond to them. It is about believing that even in hard times there are opportunities. It is about focusing on what you want instead of what you fear, because fear attracts fear and faith attracts faith. When you apply this law daily, your relationships improve, your career grows, your health gets stronger, and your happiness expands because you are attracting experiences that match your inner state. So choose carefully, choose positivity, choose gratitude, choose belief, because every thought is creating your future. Your life today is the result of your past thoughts, and your future will be the result of your present thoughts. When you say "I am confident," "I am successful," "I am capable," the universe responds by showing you proof. When you act with courage, the law of attraction opens doors. When you love yourself, love flows back. When you believe in abundance, abundance grows. This is the true power of the law of attraction in daily life. It is not a dream, it is a reality shaped by your mindset. So start using it consciously today, and you will be amazed at how your daily life begins to transform.